Hey guys, today we'll be making a quick and easy and adorable curly Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut all of my mesh into 8-inch long pieces and I have cut my stems into thirds. What I'm going to do is start creating my bundles and then I'm going to place them on my wreath. So I'm going to take my red, roll it at a cute little curl, take my white, cute little curl. You can roll it at diagonals as well. And then take my black, rolling it at a cute little curl, and I've crisscrossed all three colors to where they're not overlapping and all colors are visible. Scrunch in the center. Take my stem, place it around the center of my bundle, and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And what I always like to do is alternate my color order. So this time I'm going to start with white, and then black, crisscrossing, and then red. And the reason I do this is because I want all colors to be visible. I don't want predominantly red on top or anything like that. I want it to be a nice blend. But if you do have a color preference that you want to dominate the wreath, then go for it. Alright, and this last one, I'm going to start with black, and then red, and then white. Just like this. Scrunch, place my stem, and twist it. And then I like to flare and fan out my bundles. So as you can see, all three bundles look different, but when they're together, they mesh together really well, and they make a really cute wreath. So I'm going to get all my bundles made, and then we'll start placing it on our ring. I have my bundles made. Now we're going to start placing them on our ring. Again, you have several options. I'm going to go with outer, inner, outer, because I'm using 3 bundles for each section. If you're going with 4 bundles for each section, you can go with outer, inner, outer, inner. Or if you decide to use a longer stem, outer 2, inner 2, outer 2, inner 2. Whatever you prefer, the possibilities are endless. Or you can just keep them all on the center 2 rings. Everything looks cute, it's just personal preference. So, this specific time, I'm just going to alternate outer, inner, outer, all the way around my ring. And I alternate the color order of my bundles as well. Again, that's just something that I prefer to do, but it's not completely necessary. Alright, I have my first bundle. I'm placing it on the outer ring, twisting it a couple of times, and tuck it away. Next bundle on the inner ring, twisting it, and then tuck it away. My third bundle will come back to the outer ring, twist, 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 and tuck it away. And then once you get more bundles in place, you can adjust and maneuver it a little bit more, but that's just one section. Let me get a few more bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. Alright, this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. I'm going to continue adding my bundles to the rest of the wreath and show you the finished product. And once you're all done, you can definitely add in more bundles if you choose. You can add more pieces of mesh to each bundle and more bundles to each section. Adjust it to fit your needs. Alright, once you have all your bundles in place, I'm just kind of fluffing and flaring and maneuvering my bundles, making sure everything looks so cute and precious. Again, as much or as little as you'd like. You can add any additional embellishments. You can add an adorable sign to the center, some jingle bells, ornaments, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.